In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a movie in Google Photos. This process allows you to combine your favorite photos and videos into a cohesive movie, complete with transitions and music. It's a fun way to relive memories and share experiences with friends and family. Let's dive in and explore how to do this step by step. To get started, open the Google Photos app on your device. You will see a clean and user-friendly interface. This familiar layout makes it easy to navigate through your photos and videos. Look for the Create button located at the bottom of the screen. Tapping this button will lead you to various creative options. It's important to locate this button as it is your gateway to making your movie. Next, tap on Highlight Video or Movie depending on the version of the app you are using. This action will take you to the next screen where you can choose how you want to create your movie. If you see Highlight Video, it may offer you a quick way to generate a video based on your selected media. Understanding this option is crucial since it can save you time if you want a themed movie quickly. At this point, you will have the option to select a theme for your movie if that feature is available. Themes can add a unique flair to your movie, helping set the mood and style. If you prefer, you can also choose to create a movie from your own photos and videos. This flexibility allows you to personalize your project to match your vision. It's important to choose the option that best suits the story you want to tell with your movie. Now you will need to select the photos and videos you want to include in your movie. Browse through your library and tap on the media items you wish to use. It's a good idea to pick clips that complement each other to create a seamless narrative. Selecting the right material is key as it determines the emotional impact of your final movie. Once you have made your selections, proceed to the next step. After you have selected your media, tap Create. Google Photos will now take a moment to generate your movie. During this time, you might see a loading animation, which tells you that the app is working on compiling your movie. Be patient as this process may take a few moments depending on the number of items you included. This step is essential because it allows Google Photos to organize everything smoothly. Once your movie is generated, you will have the opportunity to preview it. This is an exciting moment as you get to see your memories come to life. Take a close look at how the clips flow together and whether the transitions are smooth. If you notice anything you want to change, you can make edits such as reordering clips or trimming them down to fit the desired length. These adjustments can significantly enhance the storytelling aspect of your movie. Next, you can change the music if you wish. Music plays a vital role in setting the mood of your movie. Google Photos provides various music options, or you can add your own. This step is crucial because the right soundtrack can elevate the emotional resonance of your movie, making it more enjoyable for viewers. When you are satisfied with your edits, tap Save. This action will add your finished movie to your Google Photos library. You'll see a confirmation message indicating that your movie has been saved successfully. This step ensures that your hard work is preserved and easily accessible for sharing later on. Now that your movie is saved, you have the option to share it or download it directly from Google Photos. This final step allows you to spread joy and memories with friends and family. You can easily share your creation across different platforms, making it a wonderful way to connect with loved ones. Creating a movie in Google Photos is straightforward and enjoyable. With these steps, you can transform your photos and videos into a captivating story. Enjoy the process and have fun reliving your memories.